Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through how to install and use the SharePoint Document Integration Plugin, built by Mokxa Technologies on Joget DX9. This plugin extends Joget's standard file upload capability, allowing you to store and manage documents directly on both Microsoft SharePoint and Joget. Before we begin, ensure you have Joget DX9 Enterprise Edition and your Microsoft Azure AD details ready. To configure the plugin, open the Form Builder. In the palette under Mokxa Plugins, drag and drop the File Upload to External Storage into your form where you want the upload field to appear. Enter your display name and a unique element ID. Under Advanced Options, you can set your maximum file size, allowable file types, and mandatory validation to ensure data integrity. Note that this plugin supports multi-file uploads if enabled in these settings. Next, select Storage Client and choose Microsoft SharePoint. Retrieve your tenant ID, client ID, and client secret from the official Azure portal, and enter these details on Joget. You'll also need to specify the Site ID and Drive ID from the Microsoft Graph API collection. Define Upload Folder Path. You can use curly braces to make this path dynamic, automatically creating folders based on form fields like document type or ID. Specify duplicate file handling to either replace a file or creating a new version each time an upload was performed. You can also enable real-time sync between SharePoint and Joget. To keep your records organized, use metadata mapping. Create a Joget form to store these metadata with the required fields. Map the SharePoint metadata, like file ID, version, and size, to your Joget fields. You can also map specific Joget fields to tags and descriptions to enhance your searchability within SharePoint. Apply change and save.